Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm driving from Umuahia to Ishi Gate, the popular gate in Umuahia town. So all this side now na Umuahia. If you look around, you go to see people houses. So here na residential area. You understand? Now people houses na in choke for here. Here now like this na people village. Umuahia na people village. Now people they live for all this side. You understand? If you dey look around, you go to see people houses. But for here also you go see business centers too. They plazas too. This place now open. You understand? It open and they get good road. Maybe say if you want go town sharply, you go just enter town. The road they very motorable from this part of Umuahia to town. So like this now, if you look around, you go see people shops. People they do their business. Now normal thing will take no Igbos now. They will too love business. So this market we they see now they call them Afo Ibeji. This market done there for many years. Oh, you understand? Them born me, I come see this market for here. Afo Ibeji market with the food Umuahia. So like this now, we dey go down. Very soon we go reach one roundabout. That roundabout now, I think now the past administration now in construct am. For that roundabout now, if you go your left hand side, now Federal Girls. Yes, Federal Girls dey for Umuahia. And this beautiful church we see now they call am St. Silas. Yes, the popular St. Silas Anglican Church. Now be this. So we still they go down. You understand? If not the first time we tune into my channel, you dey welcome. Now this building, this little bungalow, this building we see now, na health center be this. Yes, na health center. So if you be returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly click the subscribe button. Now free of charge, you know they charge you anything. The reason why you go click and be say maybe if you want just get notifications I don't drop video, click them. Now the roundabout why they tell you so. That road now na Federal Girls. We don't they approach Ishikot like this. This white bungalow now, like a clinic, I been a hospital, something like that. So you see say the road they okay now. Normally the road don't do okay right from time. This side they just get good road normally. So now Ishikot we dey reach so, and for this Ishikot now, bike men just dey. We be say you see and bike people dey. If you reach Ishikot now, one go do my. If you enter bike or you want go local, if you enter bike from Ishikot here, they go drop you where you they go. So this side now na Umuobia, and very soon now we go reach Umuobia junction. So now here now be Umuobia junction. We see they go down. Very soon we go reach Circulus. Yes, where they produce paint, Circulus, Monica, you know, all those. But like this now, all this road now, they call them Aba Road. Now here be Aba Road. If you hear Aba Road, Umuahia, from here just they go down. Now it be Aba Road. Umuahia don't use type what they change. Many things don't they happen, you understand? And they don't tell why I even do this video like from Umuahia to town. Cause I just run them today for people who be say they go just like CRCB, you understand? If you never subscribe, I beg kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. So that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified, you know, and you'll be among the first people to watch the videos. So NASA close be this now. NASA close be this. We don't they reach them, but you they see them already now. So now here they call Circulus. Yes, now here be Circulus. So they produce paint. You know those days now, Circulus paint, oh kachama, Circulus paint, oh kachama. Now here they do them. Now here. So guys, no much talking now. From here now, direct to gate. She gate to Umuahia. So watch the video down to the end and tell me what you think for comment section. So this is Federal Medical Center FMC, and as you can see, they touch the fence. You understand? They paint they make it sharp. Based on say they for road now. Me no be say na come they make the town. Me no come look sharp. They're trying to renovate the fence, make it look sharper. You understand? They point three lean. I've been waiting they call them to make them dey sharp. Then if you look front now, you go see say they don't put this traffic light. They train number actually. They weren't here before, so they put them. So you see work still they go on for the FMC side now. They still want touch the fence, make it just nice. So now here now they call gates. This one on this red building we can't get glass now slot.